In this video, we will see how to initiate payment on the CMS platform. The maker has to first log in to Kotak Net Banking and go to CMS platform. There are three ways in which the maker can initiate the payment: single payment, batch payment, and bulk upload. Single payment. Let us now look at the single payment option. On the home screen, go to Payments and select Payment Center. On the top right corner of your screen, select the single payment option. Select payment type and payment package. Click on Next. Enter product information, payer information, and payment information. Under payer information, enter the payment reference number in alphanumeric characters. Ensure to keep a unique payment reference number, or else payment would be rejected due to duplicity of payment reference number. You can select the current date as the effective date or select any future date to process this transaction. Future dated transactions would be allocated status as warehoused. Alerts for authorization to such payments would be sent to authorized signatories of the system. If your transaction is more than ₹50 crores, please ensure you enter the beneficiary LEI code. Under additional information, you can add narrations, which can be reflected in beneficiary statement or advice. After entering the details, click on Verify. After verification of the details, click on Submit. The payment will now be pending for the approval of the authorizer. You can view this transaction on the dashboard or under the Payment Center screen. Batch payment. Let us now look at the batch payment option. In the home screen, go to Payments and then go to Payment Center. Select the batch payment option on the top right corner of your screen. Select payment type and payment package from the list. Click on Next. Under batch settings, in Control Totals, enter the number of transactions and the total amount. If you do not want to enter the details and want the system to calculate the total, then unclick Control Totals. Under Sender Details, enter the batch reference number. Click on Use Transaction Wizard and select product type. Enter sender details, payment details, and additional information if any for transaction of the batch. Click on the Save and add another option to add more payments to the batch. Verify the details and click Submit. The payment will now be pending for the approval of the authorizer. You can view this transaction on the dashboard or under the Payment Center screen. Bulk payment. Let us now look at the bulk payment option. In the home screen, go to Payments and then go to the File Upload. CMS platform allows files to be uploaded in multiple formats such as XLS, CSV, or text. Select File Format Type from the drop-down list for the payments upload. Click on the Select File button and upload the file. Please ensure all mandatory fields have been filled with relevant information. The payment date in the file should be in DDMMYYY format. Please avoid usage of any special character while entering the details in the file. Post the file is uploaded, the status of the file is displayed under the Remarks column. In case the file is rejected, you can click on View Report for the details of the rejected transaction. Once the file is uploaded successfully, the transactions will be pending for the approval of the authorizer. You can view this transaction on the dashboard or under the Payment Center screen. For downloading bulk transaction status or payment advice, users can go to Payment Center, select the transaction and click on View Record. Download option is available in Excel or PDF format. Please use the FAQs and the guide for any additional information.